Introduction. Europe is the sixth largest continent in the world. In the past, the European explorer discovered and colonized places at almost every continent. They have influenced and in the past scientifically and technically advancement and luxury in the society and turned to the world into a global village. Europe is responsible for the lot of progress made by the world during the past 300 years in very scientific and technological development. Location. The continent of Europe lies entirely in the northern hemisphere, extending between 35° north and 75° north latitude and the 0° longitude. Passes through the western part of Europe. It passes through Greenwich near London, which is the part of the United Kingdom. In terms of area, it is only larger than Australia and ranked 6th among all the continents. Europe and Asia together form Eurasia. Europe occupies only 1/4 of Eurasia. Now, boundaries. Europe is bounded by water bodies on 3 sides and that form a peninsula extending west part. It is bounded by Arctic Ocean in the north. The Atlantic Ocean lies to the expressed and the Mediterranean Sea towards its south. The continental of Europe is separated from Asia by the Ural Mountain, the Caspian Sea and the Caucasus Mountain. The Strait of Gibraltar is separate from Africa. The coastline is indented and has a number of gulf bays and enclosed seas. Some bays, gulf and seas that border the continent include Bay of Biscay, Bay of Saint Sebastian, Gulf of Boutria, Gulf of Lions, Gulf of Finland, White Sea, Baltic Sea, North Sea, Adriatic Sea and Aegean Sea. Political division. Although Europe sixth among the continent in the world in terms of this area, the continent is divided into a large number of countries. Southeast countries have been included together and are referred to as follows: the Balkan state, the Baltic state, the lowland countries, Western European countries, Central European countries, Scandinavian countries, Iberian Peninsula. The Balkan state: Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Greece, Croatia, Macedonia, Montenegro, Serbia and Siberia are the countries that lies within the Balkan Peninsula and the commonly known as the Balkan state. The Baltic states. Countries like Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania that lie along the Baltic coast are known as Baltic state. The the lowland countries, countries like Belgium, Netherlands, and Luxembourg are the part of the lowland area of Europe. Hence, these countries are called lowland countries. Together, they are known as Pennines. This name is derived from a part of the name of the country, that is B for Belgium, N for Netherlands, Lux for Luxembourg. West European country. Lowland country and the country of France, UK and Ireland are together called the West European countries. Central European countries. Austria, Czech Republic, Germany, Hungary, Liechtenstein, Poland, Switzerland, Slovakia are called the Central European countries. Scandinavian countries. Denmark, Norway and Sweden are called Scandinavian countries. Iberian Peninsula. It includes Spain, Portugal, Andorra. Some other major countries. Russia, which is the largest part of Europe, is one among the 15th independent republic into which the former USSR had been divided. Armenia, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Estonia, Georgia, Latvia, Lithuania, Moldova, and Ukraine are the other independent republic of the former USSR that lie in Europe. The rest 5 are the part of Asia. Vatican City, the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church and the smallest country in the world, also lies in Europe. Physical features. Although not a very large continent, Europe has a variety of physical features. Mountain lies towards northwest and south plain between them. There are plateaus lie in the southern part and also a part of river basin. Broadly, physical features of Europe can be divided into 4 major groups: the Northwestern Highland, the North European Plain, the Central Upland, and the Alpine Mountain System. Now, Northwestern Highland extended from Finland, Sweden, Norway up to the British Isles and as far as Ireland and the northwestern Iceland. They are one of the oldest mountains of Europe, formed by hard Asia rock as a result of weathering and glacier erosion. These are not very high and have general slopes. However, a long Atlantic coast at these highlands end up into the sea. The valley formed long and steep-sided narrow inlets. These valleys at the shape of glacier are known as fjord and are occupied by the ocean water. These fjords make a coastline indented or rugged. Ural Mountain belongs to this physical division. The North European Plain. This plain lies between the Ural Mountain in the east to the Atlantic Ocean in the west. To west-north, these mountains are the Northwestern Highland. To the northwest, they are bordered to the North Sea and the Baltic Sea. They are bordered towards east. It is following a triangular shape. These plains are not very undulating and not higher at 300 meters above the main sea level. Almost flat in local plain, these are washed by water by several rivers. The river crossing this plain are the Volga, which is the longest river, the Rhine, the Seine, Rhine, the Seine, the Danube, the Dnieper, the Don, the Vistula, and the Elbe, etc. Along with the large northwestern plain, the other plains that lie in Europe include the Hungarian plain, the Lombardy plain in Italy, and the plains, the Andalusia in Spain.